Looky, looky what I have. Why would anyone let me work on this car? This is an EV6. Instead of working on it, I should have went there. But either way, I'm going to show you what I did. You ready for this? Start it up. I did that. That's front camera. And that puppy back there is the rear camera. And oh my God, it works. So I'm going to show you how to do all of this. And ready? Look, there I am. That's a Kia. This puppy, I love this car. Just because of its back end. Look how cool this looks. Look how cool that is to have both kids in prestigious schools. But we're here to put something in this thing. We are going to start disassembling, and like always, we already started without you. Here you go. That's the back. That's the front. That's what we're putting in. Box is somewhere over here. I'll put the link somewhere in the description. But that's a van true. Nope, not false. It's true. So, I already started. Use your tools. Pull this puppy off. I will show you. Taking it off is easy. It's only one screw. So we're only taking off this side. But, I'm going to pop this back on because it's all nothing but clips. Do I have to show you that? No. Just pull. Grab somewhere, usually in the center. And just pull, pull, pull. One screw. Get it out. Because we got to go down this side. And we start assembling. So, let's mount the camera. Easy part, pull. Easy part, pull. And we got to try to snake this wire right through this puppy. So, we got to get this headliner down enough where we can actually get our hands in here. So let's see what's holding us up, because we don't want to crease nothing. 3 push pins. See that black thing right there? It's at the end of my finger. That one and that one. That just gives us enough room to access this wire up in the corner. So we're gonna get a handy dandy snake. Come here, snake. We're gonna push this puppy through. So the first things first, always hardest part of the dash cam install is the back wire. So you always start back here because that's the hardest thing. So let's go. And we go that way. I love trolls, but this is the best way I like doing it. Nice and stiff rod right through it. I always do this. Why? Because I told you to. So you see this little rubber at the end of my finger? I cut that. And what it does is it restricts you from pulling the wire, pulling on the wire. So carefully cut it. So it gives you plenty of room to get this thing straight and push it through. Tape it up nice and tight. Let's start shoving. Now with both hands, you play, you pry, you push, you pull, and you work your way through this thing. Do your magic. See? We're getting there. Squeeze, pry, pull, rub. Make sure that wire goes right through. I'm sort of pulling this way as I'm pulling this way. Carefully, gently, and not too hard. But we're working this way, you see? It's pregnant over here, not over here anymore. Keep going. It's coming, you see? Poking its evil head. You see? We're gonna play and pry and pull this guy out. And you see? Look, he's out. Doo-doo, doo-doo. That wasn't too bad, now was it? Easy. Now what we're gonna do, we want to come this way. Unfortunately, the plug is on the driver's side, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna bend this wire, put the panel back, and pull the slack back, because I don't know how much wire we have to get to the front. So mount this puppy securely and put this guy back. All right, so you don't have to do this. I did it anyway because I could. I just jumped it up in here, felt forward on this side because you got some room. My finger just about goes through, just to help me hold it in place. So as I put this guy back, I want to make sure this puppy doesn't hit, because that's where one of the push pins goes in. So we'll probably just leave a loop like that and plug it in. Let's do it. Make sure it's centered. You see that? That's I. And what I'm going to do is take the extra slack like this, leave a nice little loop, and put the panel back. There we go. Little loop, screw back, panel back. That's what we want to see. So let's push this guy back. Now that is what you want to see. We were never here. Let's snake this wire through, pull the slack back, and keep on moving. So with a huge zip tie, or maybe just using your hands, we're going to snake it through. And the hardest part is technically done. So there you go. Now give yourself a pat on the back. You deserve it. Now, what do we do with this? Loops. Make sure we have enough loop so it doesn't get kinked. And we're going to come back around this way. You see? We want to loop. Loop the loop. And then we're going to get our handy dandy tool and push this puppy in the headliner. Just like that. You see? Perfect. I'm telling you, gotta buy this thing. Link is always in the description. This thing is awesome. Look, I love this thing. How much easier it makes your life. Now, let's get this out of our hands. Let's go in the back seat. Push this puppy back up, and back up. And get the rubber back down, because this makes it so much easier. And look, I'm proud of you. I'm really proud of you. See that? We were never here. Look, looks like we never touched it. Keep going, be quiet. Backseat view. Because back street's back. All right. I'm gonna tuck and keep going. Now, if you got it to look like that, I am also proud of you. There is no wire right here. See that? Because it's over here. Now we're gonna keep going. I see. Likey. Rubber. Probably have to pull outward. Let's see. A little tuck. Can you still see it? We'll have to pull the rubber back. I think it's good. As thick as this wire. Yeah, that's good, dude. There you go. A little pushing, a little finagling, but there you go. Beautiful. I'm so proud of you. So, look at this. Keep going. That's what it's supposed to look like. Like you were never here. Can anyone answer me this question? Why is there a screw right there? See that screw? Why? Why, Kia? What's up with that? So what I'm going to do is put it back and show you what I did. Just pull it out. Now, do I have to remove that screw? I hope not, because I'll probably end up losing it. So I'm going to go around it, back behind the airbag, because I keep getting yelled at. And we're going to take this guy off. Let's play. Well, good thing it's 75 degrees out. So I tried from the top, and luckily this popped downward. So these actually pop from here, from the bottom. Let's see. Let's do a one-handed. All right, so we align. You see this line? That line's up in that little square. And it goes back in like that. See that? Snap right in. Beautiful. Now, let's take it back down. Oh, that was hard. But first, I know, you gotta pull this guy out. Top first. And this guy pops in. And that little track. You see that? You see. Right? Alright. Now, let's get this mirror up out of our way. I don't think we need to, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Now with your wire weaseled over, untaped, let's get this guy to sit properly and see where this camera is going to sit. Because we want to make sure this puppy, I don't think I can go this way. Let's go this way. On the driver's side, this way. Because that's where it snaps in. Oh, look, it's even a channel that will sit in. Nice. Let's get the power wire. It's in the back seat somewhere. And that is your Bezos part number. Oh, we got fuse tabs. I don't think we'll need them. But let's get the wire out. Don't mix the two up. You see how this one's bent? I just unfolded it. This is the camera wire. This is your power wire. Any questions? So, with wire hidden and we are stuffing it away. Okay, now we put this away. The extra slack came down, came down, came down, and I stuffed it right there, right behind this little door you pop off. So, put this door back up, back in, back out. You see? Come on. Two hands better than one. Just like the consensus says, no one was ever here. See that? Now, power wire. We're going to take that puppy off and come this way and jump downward. So, let's get this easy pass out of our way and get going. 'Tis nice. Yeah, barely see the wire. That's always a good thing. It's all snapped in and the wire is right there. We stuffed it up in the headliner. So, let's keep going. So if you don't want to be an impatient person like me, you should have took the small side, ran behind the airbag. But I'm an idiot, and I like making things harder for myself. So now I have to stuff this guy behind the airbag, which you can. It's actually not that bad. I got plenty of room. You see, get my whole hand up in there. So you see? Hello, hello. But it would have been easier if we go this way. But either way. It can be done. Just be careful. So undo this wire. You can pull this guy through. You see. Now let's come down the pillar. Push this puppy back. Now here's something I noticed. See that wire back there? Make sure it goes more downward because this guy won't snap back in. You see? Make it go downward a little bit more with your handy dandy tool that you have to have. Just push it down a bit and then snap this thing back in. See? So what I would love to show you is if I had four hands. One to hold the ground, one to hold the probe, one to hold the phone, and one to show you how to hit this button. But I cannot do that. So I have trolls, and I love trolls, and what I did was I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to the USB charger because apparently trolls love to say, well, you can't use the module, you can't use the AC, because this thing pulls a whole whopping, what, 5 amps? Or is that 3? 5. Anyway, it probably pulls 1 amp. So we're going to accommodate the trolls and use the USB charger because that turns on and off with the car. See that? See how smart I am? Amazing. So, fourth one over, fourth one down. That's what we're going to pick. So with some brute force, we find the right fuse holder. And I use a tool like this because I'm older in age and it was kind of hard and I squeezed the fuse inward. And now it's in its appropriate spot. And now we're going to plug it in. So I'm doing this as if you would do this. So I came down past my little rubber and we're going to stuff this guy right in this little hole after this door I just removed with this little tool because there's a groove right there and you'll see it. It's right there. See this puppy right here? Stuff this in and you work your magic. Pop, 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 pop. Now we take this whole little contraption and stuff it right through this hole. And you see, wow, all that right there. So let's get this guy up in the end. And now that we're in, we're going to say sayonara to this door, put this guy puppy back, and there you go. Put the rubber back. See that? We're getting to the home stretch. Now, you're ready to put the fuse in. Now let's find something that's hot. And I guarantee you pick anything, just about, it'll be hot. But will accommodate the troll some more. So, we'll say heated rear seat. I don't think it even has one. Amp. There we go. That amp's got to be hot. Because that's for the radio. That's what we're going to use. Or, I bet your door locks is hot. Or, heated mirror might be hot. I don't know. Let's see what the trolls say. Tailgate open. How about that? So if that fuse blows, the tailgate stops working. That's awesome. So, before we clean it up, we did USB charger for ignition, check, or accessory, either way, turn on and off. We did tailgate open for hot. See? Second one down. And 4 and 4. Grounded it right there. Yeah, it works. So let's turn this puppy on. See what happens. Don't need an SD card. Let's see. And we are almost 2 minutes from hell. Now, where's the SD card? Oh, see SanDisk. 256 this guy bought. Oh, I heard something. Oh my God. Did I do something right? Oh, we in Frances. The touch? No, button. We're in English. We're in London. No, let's play with this. I want to wrap this up and show you the complete end. And we're going to be in hell pretty soon. Back from the 90s. Alright, so, with it all stuffed away, a little bit of tape, just jammed it in there so we know where the fuses are. This puppy works. See? You see? You see? It's going to focus. Hey, look, it works. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.